Hi, I'm Caroline Hambright, and this is Brighter Days. Today I'm going to show you how to make graves out of pizza boxes. It's one pizza box for graves, so you're going to have to eat a lot of pizza. That shouldn't be a problem for you, right? Start by making your pizza box flat and cutting along all of the perforated lines. This is going to take forever, so you could be like me, do 3 at a time and just jigsaw through all of them. But that's up to you. Ha ha ha! Save all of these. These are all these pieces are very important. Now, use this one as a stencil. Ew. Now's a good time to plug in your hot glue gun and put it somewhere where you're not going to burn yourself. We're going to use some of the edge pieces to make some brackets that will hold the whole thing together. It's just important that this middle one is the width of this piece here. I cut out 7 brackets for each grave, and then I folded them all to the right size. Let's see if it's hot yet. It's not scalding, so I think I'm gonna have to wait. So these pieces are like my brackets that's gonna hold everything together, and then these long pieces are gonna be the edge that go all the way around. To make these bend nicely around this curve, I'm gonna squish the corrugated cardboard, like that layer inside. That makes it really nice and bendy. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer than it needs to be to use that to secure the whole thing down. Oh yeah, woo! Then for the top, you put all the glue on these at once, and then it's just gonna be boop. So this is a time when you might have to go kind of fast. And when you're going fast, that means you're probably gonna burn yourself, so watch out. Line it all up. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. You have kind of a second to like adjust it. Here it is. Up, down. Ow. Now I'm gonna glue these 2 pieces together so that they're more strong. R.I.P. Spray painted the whole thing black first, and then a misting of white over it to make a good gravestone gray. And then you must wait for it to dry. I've realized this project gives me the opportunity to kill things. Stop doing it, kids. It's dead. Remember, if you use spray paint, you have to use an oil-based paint pen to go over it, but if you used acrylic paint or something else like that, you can just use a Sharpie. To stake it into the ground, I'm just going to use nails. There must be a joke in here about nailing things in a coffin. Ha! I killed it. Now I'll go make like 9 more, or... You love me? Could you learn to love me? You ever drink Baileys from a shoe? I'm all Greg!